Do you make good money but still feel like you're constantly broke? You're not alone. Millions of high earners struggle to feel financially secure, even with six-figure salaries. This video dives into the 9 sneaky reasons why you might feel perpetually broke, even with a high income. We'll explore hidden cost culprits, lifestyle traps, and financial planning pitfalls that can drain your bank account, leaving you wondering where all your money goes. But fear not. We'll also uncover actionable strategies to overcome these challenges and finally feel rich at any income level. Learn how to manage your money effectively, make your high salary work for you, and build lasting wealth for the future you deserve. Reason 1. The income versus living cost battleground. Remember that quote from the 4-Hour Workweek? People don't want to be millionaires. They want to experience what they believe only millions can buy. It's all about perspective. Feeling rich is highly dependent on how far your hard-earned cash stretches. Let's say you make £100,000 but live in a high cost of living area. If basic living expenses eat up 80% of your paycheck, you'll feel a lot less wealthy compared to someone making the same amount in a lower cost area where basic needs take only 30%. That second person has 3 times more left over for the fun stuff each month. Now, some of this might be self-inflicted. No sympathy for someone living paycheck to paycheck on a 6-figure salary with a penthouse and a luxury car. But what I'm talking about is the challenge of location-based salaries. Many high-paying jobs are concentrated in expensive cities. Aspiring entertainment folks might chase the Hollywood dream, while tech wizards flock to Silicon Valley. Finance gurus often gravitate towards London or New York. But the reality is, living comfortably in these hubs costs a fortune. For instance, London households earn about 15% more than the national average, but that premium gets swallowed whole by insane housing costs. London is becoming increasingly unaffordable for first-time buyers, with housing taking a bigger bite out of net income. According to the Financial Times, when you factor this in, a London household is no better off than the national average. This income versus living cost disparity exposes the truth. A high salary doesn't automatically translate to feeling rich, so the answer might lie in considering jobs outside these expensive hubs. Sure, it might mean a longer commute, but wouldn't a charming countryside home with a spacious garden and a furry friend be worth it compared to a cramped 2-bedroom flat with a cat? And if your job allows, remote work can be a game changer. Working from home a few days a week saves you on commuting costs and the general office overhead. For the ultimate location independence, consider a low-cost country altogether if your job allows for fully remote work. Reason 2. The dreaded Doro Effect. Have you ever experienced the Doro Effect? It's that sneaky phenomenon where buying something new triggers a chain reaction of purchases. Imagine your living room looks great, but then you decide to upgrade the sofa. Now the rug looks shabby, so you buy a new one. Then the lamp seems outdated and curtains need replacing. Next thing you know, you're eyeing a whole new house. The Doro Effect is a major reason why some high earners become rich but never feel wealthy. They're stuck in this cycle of earning, upgrading, earning more, and upgrading again. It's particularly potent when a new purchase elevates you to a different social circle. Move to a swanky neighborhood with wealthy neighbors who drive luxury cars. You might feel pressured to upgrade your own ride to avoid looking like a financial dude. While it's natural to want to treat yourself as your income grows, be mindful that constant upgrades can erode the entire benefit of your raise. That initial thrill might be fleeting, leaving you with no extra savings and stuck in a paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Worse yet, some upgrades are hard to downgrade. Business, class flights, a sprawling mansion, or a private school for your kids. Once you get accustomed to that lifestyle, it can wreak havoc on your long-term financial stability. The good news? Awareness is the first step to breaking free from the Doro Effect. Instead of fixed dollar amounts saved each month, try a percentage-based approach. Say you aim to save 15% of your take-home pay. As your income grows, your savings automatically grow too. This ensures that extra income translates into long-term wealth, the kind that makes you feel truly rich, not just temporarily satisfied by a new gadget. Reason 3. The student loan squeeze and tax burden. Many high-paying jobs require a college degree, which often comes with a significant price tag. Student loans. These loans can take years to repay, leaving a hefty chunk of your income spoken for each month. The burden of student loan debt can make it difficult to save for other financial goals or feel like you're making true financial progress. On top of that, high earners face higher tax brackets, meaning a larger portion of your income goes towards taxes. This combined effect can leave you feeling like a significant chunk of your hard-earned money is disappearing before you even see it. Reason 4. Lifestyle inflation through keeping up with the Joneses. The Doro Effect focuses on material purchases, but there's a broader concept at play: lifestyle inflation. This sneaky monster creeps in as your income rises, subtly inflating your regular expenses. You might start dining out more often, upgrading your cable package, or signing up for that fancy gym membership. These seemingly small increases can add up quickly, leaving you with less leftover cash to save or invest. The culprit behind lifestyle inflation is often the pressure to keep up with the Joneses. Social media feeds and carefully curated online personas can make it seem like everyone around you is living a luxurious life. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy and a pressure to maintain a certain image, even if it strains your finances. Reason 5. The future feels far away, especially for young earners. For young high earners, the allure of instant gratification can be strong. Retirement might seem like a distant reality, a concept for future me to deal with. This future self feels so far removed that prioritizing long-term savings can be difficult. The temptation to spend that bonus or max out a credit card for a dream vacation feels much more immediate. While enjoying the fruits of your labor is important, remember, time is a powerful tool in wealth creation. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even small amounts saved consistently can snowball into a significant sum over the decades. Reason 6. Not talking about money, especially with shame or confusion. Money can be a taboo topic, shrouded in secrecy and shame. This lack of open communication can be a major roadblock to financial well-being. If you're struggling with budgeting, saving, or simply don't understand certain financial concepts, you might feel too embarrassed to ask for help. Talking openly about money with friends, family, or a financial advisor can be incredibly empowering. There's a good chance others around you share similar anxieties or questions. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination, and open communication is key to navigating it successfully. Reason 7. Not setting and sticking to financial goals. Feeling lost financially often stems from a lack of clear goals. Sure, you might have a vague desire to be rich someday, but what does that actually mean for you? Do you dream of early retirement, traveling the world, or financial security for your family? Once you define your financial goals, you can create a roadmap to achieve them. This might involve creating a budget, exploring investment options, or automating your savings. Having clear, specific goals provides direction and motivation on your financial journey. Reason 8. Debt creep, the silent thief. Student loans might be a common culprit, but debt can creep in from various sources. It could be a lingering car loan, credit card debt accrued during a period of unemployment, or even a personal loan for a dream wedding. While debt can be a powerful tool for building assets like a home, interest payments on bad debt can silently drain your income. The danger of debt creep lies in its invisibility. Minimum payments might seem manageable initially, but they can quickly become a significant burden, especially as your cost of living increases. The key is to be mindful of your overall debt-to-income ratio and develop a strategy to pay down existing debts before accumulating more. Reason 9. Ignoring taxes, the rude awakening. Taxes are a fact of life, but for high earners, they can come as a bit of a shock. Tax brackets ensure that a larger portion of your income gets taxed at a higher rate as your earnings increase. Additionally, self-employed individuals have the added responsibility of paying both employee and employer taxes, further reducing their take-home pay. Failing to factor in taxes when budgeting can lead to a rude awakening come tax season. Understanding your tax bracket and potential deductions can help you plan your finances more effectively. Consider consulting with a tax professional who can guide you on maximizing your tax benefits and minimizing your tax burden. Remember, feeling rich isn't about the size of your paycheck. It's about being smart with your money and managing it to achieve the lifestyle you desire, all while building long-term wealth. Even if you're nowhere near 6 figures, you might be doing better than you think. So like this video, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you level up your life. And until next time, take care.